Hello, so today I'm going to show you how to create that top bun. This is my usual go-to top bun kind of way. So I'm going to show you all the tips and tricks of how you can keep it top and sleek. I find it to be like classic because of how it's so neat, and also it kind of pulls your face up, right? It doesn't give you that pull down kind of look. That is why I love it. So let me just show you how I do it. Let's just start. So I just brushed my hair. My hair is not this straight. I straightened it for a video, which I will link it here. I've used an amazing hot brush, which is so good. So check it out if you want to know how I got this straight, silky hair. This is like my third day, I think, and it's still so straight and fresh. Enough of playing with my hair. Okay, so first I'm going to take a normal comb, which is a thin teaser, not as thin as this one which I would use later on, but yeah, a normal one because I've already brushed my hair with a normal, like a brush. First you gotta do is take it all up, which is a big task for me because my hair is so thick and it's going to be heavy and I'm going to have a lot of arm workout. Let's start. And if you want a messy look, right, don't try to brush this part of your hair, just leave it like that. Just try to make this on your scalp neat. So I'm taking the other side. Then I'm taking the other comb. This will take a while, okay, because I have a lot of hair to put all of them in one place. And they're too tight. Now take a nice tight rubber band and tie it. Place it at the place where you want to have your top bun, usually this side. Take a rubber band. What you have to do is just pull out stuff, okay? And it can be messy, it need not be neat and all that. You can take U-pins and fix them like this. I think now it's perfect. This is how I'd like it to be. So you can fix this bald spot if you're not comfortable with it by applying some eyeshadow and all that, but I don't like, because what if you start sweating and then you rub it gets on your hands and messy, right? So I just leave it like that, but I don't like these baby hairs. Okay, baby hair on the sides. What I do is I just pull it out to give it that shape and not look like an egg. You can either take some aloe vera gel, take a spoolie and comb that to set it. Okay, I'm going to show you. Taking some gel, putting it on this spoolie, and these baby hair, I'm just going to flick it up. See? They look so neat. And also aloe vera gel is good for your hair, so there's no harm. Also this one has, actually I use this for my eyebrows, where I put the pure soap in it for the feathered look, so it has a little bit of that soap, so it stays for a long time. I like this part to be like straight, okay, so that is why I'm trying to make it a bit neat and straight, not bumpy. And then just brush this one so that it looks straight together. For a long stay, like a super long stay, you can use this Gatsby hair gel, which is extreme firmness, which I'm going to use at the back of my hair. And just spread it on my hair. You see all this baby hair behind? That's it, your hair becomes pretty smooth also. That is it. Let me put on some earrings and come back. Just a random thought just came up to my mind. Just wear whatever the hell you want. Don't listen to anybody. Do whatever you want. I love it. It's so like super model. You can't even see my bun. I'm gonna talk like this, yeah. I thought it was gonna be so hard to create this bun, but it was super easy. And yeah, I hope you like this video. If you like it, please subscribe, share. I'll see you in my next. Bye. I'll go back. That's a good idea.